Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello and welcome. My name's Alexis and I post 4 videos a week on a Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday at 7 AM. So if you love a variety channel like this one and you want to see more videos, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And now I'm going to share with you my updated vision board. As I just mentioned, today I wanted to share with you my updated vision board for the future. So a few years ago I decided to make a vision board for myself. I decided to put down all of the things I would like to happen in my future, and then I decided to work towards those visions. So I'm still working towards the visions, but recently I've been watching a few motivational speakers who suggest in their videos, and if I can find those videos I will link them in the description box below for you, to update your vision board every so often or when you feel like it. So I thought that as it's January and as it's the start of a new year and everybody seems to be thinking about what they want for their future and their future plans, I thought that I would update my vision board. And while I was doing that, I thought I'd make a video about my updates and share it with you. So here is my updated vision board. So the first topic I want to start with is money. This year I would like to make some money. Basically I am a CEO in my husband's company, but my husband kind of makes all of the money in this house, and I haven't earned any money for a long time. But I would like to start earning a little bit of money to help contribute towards the household. We aren't badly off, we're okay, but there are certain jobs that need doing around the house, and that's when we start to struggle with money. So our floorboards need doing, we'd like to change the windows as well, and I'd like to redecorate the house as well. We've moved in and we haven't really done anything to it. We managed to get my son's bedroom redecorated last year, but apart from that we haven't managed to do any of the other rooms. There is also a split in our ceiling as well in our spare room. Basically we had some holes in the roof and it rained really heavily one night, and then rainwater came through the roof and into the spare room, through the spare room ceiling and into the room. So yeah, we'd like to get that fixed, and I'd also like to redecorate that room next as well. We're not sure if we have to get the floorboards done before we start redecorating. We think we probably will need to get the floorboards done before we do anything else. So the floorboards, there's a dip in our floorboards. We think that some of the previous occupants, there's been quite a few here, but some of them may have left the bath running, and the floorboards have dipped in the middle just outside our bedroom door. I will insert a clip of the dip. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera, but it is starting to dip a little bit more outside our bedroom, and so we really want to get that fixed this year. And we'd also like to get the windows replaced as well, because it's quite drafty in our house. There's quite a few drafts and I think they're coming through the windows, to be honest. So we'd like to get the windows done, and then as I said, we'd also like to redecorate as well. So I would like to earn some money, so that's probably one thing I'm working on this year. And then the next thing is health. So my health isn't too bad. I would say I eat quite a healthy diet, but I have been suffering with stomach aches and stomach pains, especially in the middle of the month. And I think it's to do with my periods. I do have polycystic ovaries, so I know that I will get some stomach upsets from that. So I think it's to do with my hormones. I haven't been to a doctor because I'm not a great fan of going to the doctor, but I am going to see my homeopath next week. Now I know a lot of people will be sceptical about a homeopath, but I do believe in her, and I do get an hour's appointment with her, whereas when I go to the doctor I get about 5 or 10 minutes and then I get handed some pills and shoved out the door. And I just feel that with the homeopath I get a little bit more sympathy and a little bit more understanding as well. So I'm off to see the homeopath this year in January, at the end of January. So hopefully, fingers crossed, she'll be able to give me something that might help soothe the stomach aches. I have been dealing with this for quite a long time, and it's starting to get a little bit annoying. The other day I got really sick in the middle of the night as well, and it's always seems to be in the middle of the month, so I definitely think it's something to do with my hormones. So I definitely want to sort that out this year, and I just want to be more healthy. And I just want to be able, I suppose I just want my body to be able to flow easier, really. I do find I'm a bit crooked and a bit clinky, and I know I'm human, and that's probably the way I should be. But yeah, I just remember hearing someone saying once, if you watch a body that flows, it goes easily through life. And I thought, that's what I want to be. So I want to be healthy and happy and flow easily through life. So I'm going to be working on that this year. I'm going to be working on my health. As I said, I'm going to be working on parts of the house as well. If I make any money, then hopefully we'll be able to get the floorboards fixed, and all of that done. Fingers crossed. And then the garden, I also want to start. Last year, my mum, God bless her, built herself some plant pots in the garden to grow vegetables in, and I was thinking, oh great, we'll get some vegetables from my mum's garden. But I think my mum has kept them and eaten them herself, which she's perfectly entitled to do. I'm not knocking her at all. So yes, I think that I would like this year perhaps to just dig a patch in our lawn and start growing some vegetables. I think this would be really educational for Ted, and I think it would be nice just to have our own homegrown vegetables. I've always sort of grown up on good food, and lots of vegetables in my diet as well, so I definitely love eating vegetables, so I know they wouldn't not be eaten. So yes, I definitely want to start thinking about perhaps planting some vegetables in the garden. I'm not really sure what to do with the garden. Our garden is a bit of a wild garden at the moment. It seems to have lots of weeds in the lawn, and it's just growing everywhere. It's very simple, but it does need something doing to it, but I'm not sure what yet. You know, when you just think, I don't know what to do to this garden to make it look better. So for the moment, I'm thinking of just digging it up and putting some vegetables in it and seeing what happens. So that's the garden. And then travel. I'd also really like to travel this year as well. Not far, not wide, but somewhere, maybe just go somewhere where we haven't been before, even if it's just for the day. I know it's winter at the moment, but we do like to plan our holiday about now. So yeah, I'm thinking maybe we should go, I don't know, to the seaside again. I like going to the seaside. I love going to the sea, especially in the summer as well. It's always nice to go. So yes, I'm definitely thinking about a bit more travel, but not abroad, maybe around the UK. That's what I'm thinking. And then also I want to be able to promote my other channel, Googie's Kitchen. It seems to be doing quite well. I do seem to be getting quite a lot of subscribers on there, and I'm really pleased about that, but it never goes fast enough, does it? Being human, I want this to go a bit faster than it is, and it's not. So yes, I'm thinking about promoting maybe Googie's Kitchen a bit more. Maybe doing a few more videos for Googie's Kitchen rather than this channel. I love this channel, and I've had this channel for years, but my subscriber count never seems to go up on this, and it seems to be going up on Googie's Kitchen, so maybe I should concentrate on that more. I also want to concentrate on promoting my book that I wrote about 3 years ago. It's not sold very many. It's sold about 8 copies, to be honest. I think it was 8 last count. So yes, I'm thinking about maybe doing a bit more promotion on my book as well, and hoping that it sells so I can make some money from it. So yes, and I've moved the pregnancy. So at the top of this board there used to be I wanted to get pregnant, but I've moved it to the bottom. As I'm getting older, and as I think my hormones have started to change, I think there will be less opportunity for me to fall pregnant now. I know it sounds strange, less opportunity, but there's less chance of me falling pregnant, I think. So I have moved it to the bottom of the board. I still do have a little hope that maybe we will fall pregnant, but but I'm not pinning all my hopes on it. I've still got it on the board, I've still kept it there. I'm hoping it does happen, but if it doesn't, then I'm not too worried about it, to be honest. I've also kept these two YouTubers on here because these two YouTubers seem to have lots of subscribers, and I would like lots of subscribers on Googie's Kitchen, if I'm honest. That's what I would like. And then right at the bottom, I've just kept all of these people that I like to watch on YouTube. So I've got Deepak Chopra, I've got, I can't remember his name, Urquhart Tolle, is it? Urquhart Tolle, I think. And then Dwayne Wright, is it? Yeah, I think so. And I've also got Believe in Yourself, and I've still got my meditation here. So this is to do with my well-being. So I still want to concentrate on my well-being as well, and I have started to do meditation more in the morning. I've actually started to do the Wim Hof method, so I started this breathing technique, and I'm also taking a cold shower in the morning, which sounds bizarre, but I really do feel like it's helping me, and I might make a video on that this year as well, because I feel the benefits of it have been amazing. Okay, I've had a bad tummy, but there are other benefits from it. Like, I feel like my skin is a lot better, and my hair is a lot better as well, my nails as well. So I definitely think there's benefits from his breathing techniques and taking a cold shower. So yes, this is at the bottom, and this is Believe in Yourself, and this is so this is the Believe in Yourself part. So I'm just going to try and believe in myself. I got to fake it to make it, haven't you? Is that what they say? And then I'm also thinking about my well-being as well. So these are all of the things on my vision boards that I want to concentrate on in 2022. That's my vision board for the future, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and please feel free to leave any comments below, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you all soon. Bye.